just 1 minute. I think the system is a bit slow. Allow me just 1 minute. Okay, now it's working fine. Yeah, it's Kaggle. Kaggle is the website which you can use. Okay. Coming back here on the next sheet, now I think we don't have to repeat the things. You can just see here we have few data. Let's say you want to extract some value from location code, then you can just use the flash fill, but you need to make sure that you're verifying your data. Okay, let's say I am writing 904, but it is not taking the last three values from other data. So what you can do in that case, just train your Excel sheet for more data, just provide some more data, 2 to 3 rows data, and then use Control E. So just that thing you need to keep in your mind, that if your Excel flash fill is not working properly, then just train it more and then use Control E. Okay. Let's say I have country and pin code here. So if you see, I am trying to add data like this, country plus their pin code. So I'll delete this information. Now I'll again select the data. I have provided this data. Again, I want to flash fill for remaining rows. I'll select this and then Control E. This is how you can just do the flash fill of your data. I hope this is clear to everyone. We have one more flash fill. So I am just opening that sheet. Now, do you guys know, like this is very simple. You might have used it before, that let's say I am having values like, here I have 10. If you want to drag and drop to another rows, how will you do that? If I want to fill 10 more rows with value 10, how will you do that? It is very simple, very basic thing.
Drag the small box on the right button.
Correct. Just drag and drop it to the big value. This will drag and drop the data. Now, I don't want only 10 values. I want 10, 20, 30. With a gap of 10, I want the values. So how will you do that? You will just write 10, 20 and just select the data, both 10 and 20, and then again drag and drop. Now you are having values with gap of 10. Similarly, let's say I want to decrease the values. I am writing here 10 and 5, and then I want to decrease the values. Just drag and drop the data. Okay, let's say you want something like gap of 2. So I am having 102, and here I want 104, and I want to repeat with gap of 2. So what you can do, just select the data and drag and drop. Now you see all the values are in the gap of 2. This is also called as flash fill, when you want to fill the values based on the value that you have just provided in any of the cell. Similarly, not only with whole numbers, this works with some text values as well. Let's say I am writing a default series, which is month series. So I have written January,